Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily check the version of Wireshark on a Linux system. Whether you are troubleshooting or just curious about your Wireshark version, I have got a couple of simple methods to help you out. Let's get started. The first method is to use the Wireshark GUI command. This is one of the quickest ways to check the version of Wireshark. This command will display the version number along with some additional build information, such as the compiler and libraries used. Another way to get the exact same result is by using the Wireshark version command. Let's run that as well. As you can see, the output is identical to Wireshark GUI, showing the same version and build information. So you can use either of these commands based on your preference. Next, let's use the apt package manager. This is another way to check the version, especially if you want more package details. Run the command apt show Wireshark. This will display more detailed package information, including the installed or available version in your repository. If you are managing packages with dpkg, you can use the command to check Wireshark's version, which is dpkgl grep Wireshark. This lists all installed packages related to Wireshark, including the version number. For those who prefer the graphical interface, simply open Wireshark, go to the Help menu, and click About Wireshark. The version number will be displayed at the top of the window. So there you have it. 5 easy ways to check the version of Wireshark on Linux. Whether you prefer the terminal or the graphical interface, there's an option for everyone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.